Hello everyone, welcome to Projects with Gaurang. Today we are going to learn the first concept of the Svelte, which is binding text from script section to the main section. For this, first we will create our app. For this, we will use npm create white@latest. Enter. Then it is lecture 4, so I'm going to name it 04. Then it is a Svelte project and JavaScript. We saw this in previous lectures also. So now cd lecture 4 npm install. It might take some time, it depends on the internet speed. So now our dependencies are installed. Now let's run the app. So npm run dev. So when we will run it, we can see our app is online on localhost 5173. So localhost 5173 and your app is ready. Now to start learning, we need a blank canvas. So I'm going to remove everything. So go in lecture 4, source, app.svelte, and we will remove everything in the main section. Remove it, and also this styling you can remove. I'm keeping it as such, and also remove these three, and also delete these two folders. So delete and delete. So it might throw some errors here, but don't worry about it. So to check whether our app is functioning properly, go here and refresh. So here you might see some errors. Let's solve them first. So in main.js, we have app.svelte. If it is throwing error and you don't know, best option is to restart it. So I have restarted and now I will be refreshing. So now it should work properly and we have no errors here. You can also check here. So for text binding, let's first create a heading tag which will be hello projects with Gaurang. Save it, and here you can see we have the hello projects with Gaurang. Now what happens is that in many practical or in all practical applications, we need this text to be controlled on the basis of the state of app. That means what we want is that this text changes accordingly to the actions of the user or what state the app is in. So for this, first create a variable const name equal to projects with Gaurang. Now replace this section, this whole section, by name. Save it, and here you can see nothing changes. Still we have hello projects with Gaurang. But on the backend, what has changed, or you can say on the development side, what has changed is that now I can change this in my script or in my JavaScript. I can control it programmatically and can have different results. For example, let's suppose in the place of projects with Gaurang, let's say Svelte tutorials. And what we have is that, see, the text got changed from projects with Gaurang to Svelte tutorials. Also, not just you can define variables in it, in these curly braces, any valid JavaScript expression will work. For example, I have written here 2 plus 2. Save it, and see, hello 4. You can put any valid JavaScript expression. For example, one more, name.to uppercase. Run it, save it, and see, everything is now uppercase. So this is called binding text, or you can say binding text from script to the main, because here we have defined the text in script and we are using it in main section. So this was the first concept of Svelte. In next video, we will learn about binding HTML. Till then, bye.